Welcome back to the channel, guys, and today I'll be discussing how to hardwire your Ring video doorbell. And there are a few benefits that comes along with having your doorbell hooked up to direct power, and we'll be talking about all of that on this video today. And a few of those benefits are better motion frequency, more snapshot captures, and the ability to record an event for a much longer duration. You can still take advantage of these features and functionalities even without hardwiring your doorbell. However, your battery life will always be on E. You will also have a peace of mind because you won't have to screw your doorbell off and charge it every so often. Much better. Motion frequency determines how long of a break your Ring video doorbell will take in between recorded events. The photos that are taken whenever your Ring video doorbell is not recording, those are called snapshots. And the video recording length is just as it sounds. How long will your Ring video doorbell record an event? Here's what you'll need. A doorbell transformer AC 24 volts, 500 mAh power supply, and of course a Ring video doorbell. You will also need a screwdriver, so just use the one that comes with the Ring video doorbell. Alright, now go ahead and remove the Ring video doorbell from the front of your house. Next, you want to run the wires from the transformer through the back of the wall-mounted plate for your Ring video doorbell. And the reason why is if you connect the wires first, you won't be able to run it through the back of the wall plate. Next, go ahead and connect both wires to the back of your Ring video doorbell right where these screws are, just like this. Next, go ahead and remount your Ring video doorbell on your wall. Then the next thing you want to do is to tuck your wire in. Tuck it into the siding of your house, just like this. That way it won't be visible at all. Then all you have to do from here is to just go ahead and plug it up to your outlet. Mine is connected here in this toolbox that I've repurposed as a waterproofing box. I also have my gate opener, my electric gate opener plugged up here, as well as my landscape lights, my low voltage landscape lights plugged in here. Now you won't ever have to recharge your Ring video doorbell. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Please go ahead and hit that thumbs up button if you enjoyed this content. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Until next time, have a good one.